My name is Professor Stephen Amato. I'm the head of faculty in market access and regulatory affairs at Northeastern University in Boston, Massachusetts, as well as the managing director of June 17 Life Sciences, a market access consultancy. I'm seated here at the Lahey Clinic with Dr. John Libertino, seated here to my right, who is the chief of urology here at the Lahey Clinic, as well as Hank Allard, who is the chairman of MDG Program Central, seated here to my left. We're here to talk about an event that the two organizations will be co-hosting on April 8th here at the Lahey Clinic that deals with the subject of combination products and their regulation both in the U.S. and globally. And so we're here to get the perspectives from both organizations with regard to what the seminar is all about, what's going to be talked about, and who the speakers are at the event. So for my first question, I'd like to ask Dr. Libertino, what do you see as the benefits of this event to both MDG, the Medical Development Group, as well as the Lahey Clinic?
Well, from my perspective, the last event that we co-hosted was extraordinarily successful, and it brought together the folks in MDG who represent the CEOs of major medical devices companies, the venture capitalists as chief scientific officers of many of the device companies, and the intellectual property attorneys from various law firms in town. That was an exciting meeting for us because there was so much positive feedback. But I think the April 8th event is even going to be more exciting because our keynote speaker, Andy von Eschenbach, is a man who has a view of the future of medicine from so many perspectives. He was head of urology at MD Anderson, vice chair at the institution at MD Anderson, which is a big responsibility, chosen by President Bush to be head of the National Cancer Institute, and then head of the FDA. So it's going to be an exciting event from, from an intellectual point of view for us.
Thank you very much. Yeah. So just a word about the MDG, which stands for the Medical Development Group. Hank Allard chairs our Program Central Committee, which is an essential part of the organization that determines the agenda for the year. And so Hank has been very instrumental in putting together this joint seminar between the two institutions. So Hank, if you would, can you tell us a little bit about the combination products field and what might be some examples of combination products that our target audience might be specifically interested in?
Well, probably the best known combination products in this area of the country is the stent that was developed by Boston Scientific. We have the good fortune at this seminar to actually have two case studies. One from a very entrepreneurial company that is looking at a combination product to be able to address early Alzheimer's detection based on a retina view. The other one is from one of the larger medical device companies in the world, Smith & Nephew, which is focused in the area of orthopedics, that is looking at a combination product that is going to address the orthopedic market. We're very excited about both of these case studies.
Thank you. So Dr. Libertino, I'm curious to know your perspective about where the collaboration between the Medical Development Group and Lahey Clinic is going. I mean, as you prognosticate into the future, where do you see this moving?
Well, as I see government receding from its ability to fund research, I see more and more the opportunities for organizations and healthcare institutions and hospitals to do research in direct connection with medical devices companies. Obviously, they have to be done at arm's distance, and we have to be concerned about all of the confidentiality situations that can arise, but I see greater and greater integration in the future. I mean, if you look just at what we do in urology with robotic surgery, that wouldn't have happened within the last decade if there wasn't this close collaboration.
Right. Great, thank you. So Hank, as we talk about MDG, the Medical Development Group as an organization, what are some of the other areas from a technology perspective that we deal with as an organization?
Well, what we try to do at MDG is to cover a wide range of topics. We are focusing on areas like home health care, some of the implications of the new Affordable Health Care Plan. We are dealing with FDA-related issues. We actually had an all-day seminar last summer where the FDA provided the content. So we really try to cover a very wide range of areas with our various sessions at MDG.
Well, thank you very much, gentlemen, for your responses. They were very informative and helpful. I'm sure that the April 8th combination products is going to provide benefits for a wide variety of stakeholders. I would invite you to visit www.meddevgroup.org to register for this combination product seminar, again to be held on April 8th here at the Lahey Clinic in Burlington, Mass. Thank you for your time.